Ever wondered how to precisely describe a straight line on a graph? Today, we're diving into the point-slope formula, a powerful tool that lets us find the equation of a line when we know just one point and its slope. By the end, you'll not only understand the formula itself, but also see it in action, transforming a point and a slope into a clear, linear equation. Imagine a line on a coordinate plane. We have a specific point, let's say 3 minus 1, and we know its steepness, or slope, which is -4. Our first step is to plug these values directly into the formula. We substitute our point's coordinates, 3 minus 1, for x1 and y1, and our slope, -4, for m. Now, let's simplify. Subtracting a negative number is the same as adding its positive counterpart, so y minus -1 becomes y plus 1. Next, we distribute the -4 across the terms inside the parenthesis. -4 times x is -4x, and -4 times -3 is +1, too. Finally, to get our equation into the familiar y equals mx plus b form, we simply subtract 1 from both sides. And there you have it. The equation of our line is y equals -4x plus 11. This equation tells us that for any x value we pick, we can find the corresponding y value on our line. It's the mathematical blueprint for our straight path.